Hi, my name is Carter Brooks. I prefer the pronouns he, him, and I am from Hyde Park, Vermont. I decided I wanted to become a teacher when I was in elementary school after watching my father teach and follow in his footsteps. Also, I just really enjoyed working with students and helping them learn new ideas. Some things I am passionate about include soccer, video games, motorcycling, and swimming. I've played club soccer for various teams in Burlington and have played games in Gillette Stadium. I now coach soccer as I enjoy helping kids realize their talents in and out of the classroom. On a scale of how comfortable I am with technology, I would have to give myself a 4 out of 5. The reason I gave myself a 4 is because I'm very familiar with it and use it every day. I also use a range of kinds of technology which helps expand my knowledge about it. I have utilized a number of different programs and apps and have built computers from scratch. However, I have much to learn as technology changes at a blistering pace. Something that I think all classrooms should have is a smartboard, the new ones, because it makes presenting work much easier and is a great tool to have. The new ones that I am used to using are basically large Chromebook TVs, so there is a variety of things you can do with it. One thing I would like to learn in this course are different apps that can be helpful with teaching students. What apps can be useful to students so that they can work on their own?